stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might
Buddy, until the end, more than a buddies, you're my best friend. Welcome to my honey's vlog. What are you gonna be doing today, honey?
I'm taking out Audrey's hair because I'm getting it ready so that I can style her hair in the morning for school.
We're watching movies today. It sucks because Netflix sucks. He's coming, my son's coming over right now. Come here, son. Be careful, son. Say hey. Say hey, mommy's friends. Me and my son, I love my son's outfit. My honey picked this up for him a little while ago. Show him, son. They got the colors on it, the crayons. And it fits my son. So my son actually busted his lip earlier a little bit. He fell. Y'all can't probably really see it. It's going down, honey.
Yeah, it was like.
It was real swollen, like under the bottom. Like
yeah, it was
maybe
just a couple hours ago too.
just a couple hours ago.
But it's
He's-
actually going
As
down.
you can see, he is 100% and back on his right, baby boy.
Back to trouble, right?
Say, I'm fine. You are my bud. My baby sings now.
Oh, yes, he does.
Baby sing. You need to calm down.
He sings and he dances.
You being too loud. And that just like, uh-oh.
Sing it, Glenn.
Stop. You being too loud. Uh-oh. No. You need to calm down. You're too loud. And Cookie's like, uh-oh.
You are my buddy.
More than a buddy. My Audrey. More than a buddy. My Audrey. What?
I'm not sure, honey. Y'all, I'm sitting on top of the laundry basket with Audrey. Because I was over here doing laundry.
And she said, you are my buddy. You can have me.
Glass, get from over there. Come on.
Mom, my head hurts.
You have a headache, Audrey?
Ah, I didn't feel me. I'm sweating again. Your hand's hot.
Oh, you need some Tylenol, Audrey?
When you do that, I'm sweating her.
You're not sweating, honey. You're
I'm
not.
not sweating, but I'm hot. It's like 104 degrees out here.
It's not 104 degrees out here.
We'll make it hotter and hotter and hotter.
Hotter and hotter and hotter.
No, hotter and hotter.
So Isaiah doing laundry for me today? Isaiah, you doing laundry today?
Yeah, I'll do laundry.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll do some laundry.
Why, thank you.
What?
My little buddy.
You little one, stop.
My little buddy. I want to wear those pants before you leave.
Let's see what will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like.
No, she's mad because Audrey's unfortunately in trouble today. Look, he just got on the table.
Oh my goodness, look y'all.
Not everything dang. Bad. I love me, son. You love it that I can get that of the house. Come on, let's get it like that.
This is blessed. This is real life, y'all.
Stop it!
Yes, dads change diapers too. Right, honey?
All the time.
Like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger.
Honey's cooking chicken, huh? I don't know. Oh my gosh, he spilled his whole cup. Wow, Black, wow.